Ciao, it's Ellie. Welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. In this new video, I would like to share with you a short and very effective core workout that you can do in a chair. Having a strong core is important for a healthy back. Remember, be gentle with yourself, respect your anatomy, and have fun. Let's begin. Finding a comfortable sitting position. Don't slouch down on the back of your chair, but keep your back straight. Shoulders down, away from your ears, feet under your knees, your legs are on the right angle. And start following your breath. You can soften your eyes just for a few moments. And follow your breath. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. Be present and let go. Gently open your eyes. Start moving your shoulders up and down. A few times. Up and down. And start doing some circles to relax your shoulders. With your hands on your thighs, your back straight. Start to look up, keeping your chest up. Exhale, look down, rounding your spine. Chin to the chest. Inhale, look up, belly out. Exhale, navel to the spine. Look at your back. Other 2 times. With your time. Deep and long inhalations and exhalations. Come back in the center. Now, stretch your arms and try to reach with your fingers, right and left. Try to reach the wall of your room. And then come back in the center and come back with your hands on your thighs. Now, place your hands behind your head. Open your shoulder, your arms, chest up. Inhale, look up. Exhale, flexing on the left. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, flexing on the right. Inhale in the center. Exhale, flexing on the left. Inhale in the center. Exhale on the right. Last time. Keep your arms well open. And come back in the center. Release your hands. Now try to reach with your right arm a fruit, something. Maybe there is a tree in front of you. You want to grab a fruit, so you have to reach with your hand, reach the fruit, and drop it on the right side in the basket. So do it other 3 times. Reach, 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 and drop it. Reach and drop it. This time we can go down, reach the fruit down and drop it. Down and drop it. Another time, down, reach and drop it. Left arm, You can go up, reach something up, the fruit, and drop it in the basket. Reach it, grab it, and drop it. This time, go down and drop it in the basket. Another time, and drop it in the basket. Take 3 deep, long breaths with your nose. Exhale through your nose. Lift up your right leg and come back down. Lift up your left leg and go down. Again, right and down. Left up and down. Place your hands on your chair. Inhale up, flex your feet. Stay here for 3 breaths. Keep your back straight and long. Feel the muscles of your core engaging. And come back down. Inhale. Lift up your left leg. Feel the muscles also from your back. And release your leg. You can move a little bit your legs. This time, with your arms stretched in front of you. Inhale, straight, exhale, lean a little bit in the back. Go forward a little bit. And go back. Inhale, forward, exhale, back. Last time, inhale, exhale, and release. Nice work. This time, we'll do a gentle twist. Grab your chair on the left side. Right hand goes on your left knee. Inhale, look up. Exhale, gentle twist on the left. Stay here. Back straight. Engage your muscles. Keep all your energy in your center, in your core. And with the next inhalation, come back in the center. Let's switch side. Right hand grab your chair on the right. Left hand on your right knee. Inhale, look up, straighten your back. Exhale, gentle twist on the right. And breathe deeply. Deep inhalation and deep exhalations. And slowly come back in the middle. Nice work. Lift up your right leg and come back down. Left leg and come back down. Other 2 times. Right and left. You can put one hand on your belly and you can feel your core muscles. Last time. This time, Grab your chair on your side. Be strong with your core muscles. Lift up both legs. It's not easy. And release your legs down. You can do another time. Inhale, exhale. Hold it and release everything. Open your legs, toes out a little bit. Open your arms. Inhale, lift up your arms over your head. Exhale, down. Other 2 times. Open your chest, lifting your heart. Exhale, down. Next time, lift up your arms. Exhale, forward fold. Leave your arms soft, your hands soft. Soften your head, your neck. Release any tension. Let go of the tension. Inhale. Exhale, release. Forward fold. Inhale, hands on your knees and come back up. Mountain pose. Tadasana. Arms on the side. Close your legs. Open your hand, palms facing up for a little Shavasana to receive the benefit from this practice. You can sit back this time. Release all the tensions, release the muscles. You can stay here for a little bit longer. Otherwise, you can move your fingers, your toes, your head. Come back up. Hands in front of your heart center. Chin to the chest. Slowly open your eyes, looking at your hands. Namaste. I hope this was useful. Enjoy your day.